Hey guys, Micah from Black Bear Custom Kydex. I have a video for you today on a sheath that I just made for an ESEE-6. And this is just the factory ESEE-6, the original version with factory scales and all that good stuff. Excuse me. So this one is going to Nathan, and Nathan had seen a video that I did. I believe the sheath that I made, I gotta go back and look at it. I'm pretty sure that the ESEE-6 sheath that he saw was the first project that I did for Chris down at Exotac. And Chris had sent me his ESEE-6 and wanted an ESEE pouch, the fire steel tool, ferro rod, obviously the Exotac fire rod, and a leather drop loop for the carry system. So Nathan contacted me and he said that he wants all the same stuff, but instead of having a holder for the fire steel tool, he was just going to put that inside the pouch. So here is what I built for him. So it was in OD green. I've got black for any of the accessory. I've got an accessory mount here for the fire steel. I've got a little adapter for the drop loop, and I have a reinforcement plate and mounting plate for the pouch. So just talking through this thing really quickly. There's not too much to show, but it's always fun to kind of get into the details. I'm going to move this light. Maybe this will cast a little more. All right. Yeah, hopefully you can see this better. Obviously, OD green, black. It's the OD green ESEE pouch. This is the small pouch. There is a large pouch, and it's about close to double the size. I'd say at least 40% bigger. So, wait. That was totally not mathematically correct, but you know what I mean. Whoops. So he did specify that he wanted 1.75 inch wide leather for the strap here. So we've got that on there. No, it kind of looks a little bit funky from the front. You can see the corner hanging out there, but it is a really strong loop. It's very thick. It's 10-ounce buffalo hide. And what we have here is this little adapter plate. All it really does is if you snag on something, it pushes against the sheath and just adds some reinforcement. You can see I've stamped his initials, NB. It's Nathan. Last name starts with a B. And kind of cool looking plate that I made there. And then the fire steel holder, or ferro rod, whatever, fire rod holder. Very standard. Will just fit anything up to the diameter. He had said he might want to carry different ferro rods, so he wants the loop to be able to do that. So anything up to the width of the Exotac fire rod, and you should be good to go. So I made it a little bit loose, not loose, but not quite as tight around the fire rod as I normally do. So you get a nice smooth draw now, and obviously as you use this rod, it's going to shrink down, and there you go. The pouch, I've mounted it the same way I normally mount pouches, where I do basically a 1/8 inch thick layer of Kydex that the 4 drill holes, the 4 grommets in the pouch itself, can mount to the plate with. And then I mount the plate itself to the sheath. Now usually, if it's possible, I'll do, on a taco style sheath, usually you can get 2. You'll always be able to get 2 of these holes to mount. Oftentimes you can get this bottom corner here to mount. In this case I could not. And then usually this corner you only have mounted just to the plate. The plate's not mounted to the sheath. So usually there's 3 good points of contact on the corners. In this case I decided I was gonna, you can see I've shared hardware. These are the 4 that are going through. So these 2 go all the way through the pouch as well, and then these 2 just go through the plate, and this 5th one also goes just through the plate, and then the pouch itself is mounted to the plate on all 4 corners as well. So yeah, sorry, I know that all sounded a little bit convoluted and redundant, but the point is you get a really strong thing. You can see I can flex it away from there, but there's a lot of resistance. It's going to hold up to just about anything you put it through. Unless you're putting something between there and really torquing it, I don't think you're going to have any issues. So that's pretty much all the Sheath features. Let me show you real quick the tin inside, and then there is the fire steel tool, which if you guys are not already familiar with, I will show to you real quick. And I've wrapped it all in a little paper towel just so it wouldn't make an obnoxious rattling sound. This is a fire steel / bow drill tool, so you get nice 90-degree edges to strike stuff with. You got a nice divot there that you can use to do some bow drill work. So it's a pretty cool little system. But yeah, I figured I would just wrap it up and hopefully prevent any annoying rattling inside that tin. So I don't know if he actually wanted the tin or not. We never talked about the tin, but it does come with the pouch, so it's included in there. Hopefully he likes that. If not, I'm in the market for a tin. You can just send it back to me. You can always find a good use for the tin, so I'm sure he'll be fine with that. And then last thing to show you really is the fit. You can see the knife drops in nice and smooth. It's got a good little click going in. There's no rattle, no play on it. Very easy ballistic one-handed draw, and that's about that. So that's all I got for you guys on this video, but I wanted to show it to you because it came out great, and I always love me an ESEE-6 video. Just a legendary knife. Love this thing. So let me guys what you know. I did that earlier today in another video. What an idiot. Anyway, let me know what you guys think of this sheath. Comment down below. Let me know what you think of the ESEE-6. Let me know what you think of all the gear on here. Fire steel from fire rod, sorry, from Exotac, and of course the ESEE pouch with the ESEE tin and that fire striker tool. So if you like the video, like the sheath, hit that like button. If you like my channel, I ask you to subscribe. Definitely get a conversation going down below. Share it with all your buddies. Thank you for sticking around, and tune in for the next one. God bless, guys.